quickly look at the solubility and Ksp relationship. So let's see how to calculate solubility or Ksp of a substance. The question we have here says, derive the formula for the Ksp of the following. The first one is calcium fluoride, the second is iron 3 hydroxide, and the last is calcium phosphate. So let us derive the Ksp formula for each of them. Remember, in the previous video, I gave you a shortcut on how to derive the formula for Ksp of a substance. So let's apply it here. For this calcium fluoride, the formula to get the Ksp will be equal to, remember, I told you, put solubility first. Write your solubility, put a bracket, put a power for the solubility, and put a coefficient for it. And that will be the formula you will use to get the Ksp. How do I know the power and the coefficient? How do I get them? Go to the compound given to you. Look at them here. How many calcium can you find here? Only one. How many fluorine? 2 of them. Look at it here. I have CaF2. 1 of this, 2 of this. So the sum of these 2 numbers gives you the power of the solubility here. So 1 plus 2 is what? 3. I've gotten the power. The coefficient is the product of the numbers. Each raised to its power. That is, for calcium, I have 1 here. I will have 1 raised to power itself. Times, for fluorine, I have 2. 2 raised to power itself. So I will have 1 raised to power 1 times 2 raised to power 2, 4. 1 times 4 gives me 4. So the coefficient here is going to be 4. Remember what we did? For the power, you sum the numbers. Calcium is 1, fluorine is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. For the coefficient, you raise each one to its number and multiply the 2. So since calcium is 1, it is 1 raised to power 1. Times fluorine is 2, it is 2 raised to power 2. When you do all that, you have 4. And that's the coefficient. So this is the formula for the Ksp of calcium fluoride. For the second one, iron 3 hydroxide. The Ksp for this compound will be equal to, put your solubility first, put a power, put a coefficient. How do I get the power? How many ions can you see here? Only 1. How many OH ions? 3. So 1 plus 3 gives me what? 4. The sum is the power. Now how do I get the coefficient? Iron is 1, 1 raised to power itself, times 3 raised to power itself. That will give me 1 raised to power 1 is 1, times 3 raised to power 3 is 27. And 1 times 27 gives us 27. So here will be, the coefficient here is going to be 27. So this is the Ksp formula for a salt like this. The last one we have here is calcium phosphate. So the Ksp for this will give us Ksp equals, put your solubility, give it a power, give it a coefficient. The power, how many calcium can you find here? 3. How many phosphates? 2. 3 plus 2 gives us 5. That's the power. Now for the coefficient, for calcium it is 3, raise it to power itself, times, for phosphate it is 2, raise it to power itself. And 3 raised to power 3 is 27, times 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Now 27 times 4 will give us 108. So we'll have here as 108. And that is the formula for the Ksp of this. Any question you have, you can substitute the solubility. They will give you solubility value and they will ask you to find the Ksp. You derive this formula, replace the solubility with the value given to you, and you do your calculation. But if you are given the Ksp, you are asked to find the solubility. From here, you make solubility the subject of formula. In the next video, we'll see an example. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to share this video with your friends. Drop your comments, like this page, and subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you.